Hi, and welcome to SEMA 2021. We're here at the Car-O-Liner display, and we're going to talk about Car-O-Liner's latest product, the Car-O-Liner CDR1, which is a combination steel and aluminum light damage repair system. So this is our steel and aluminum welding unit. Let me show you a little bit more about what that means. Draw number one. We have a set of precision hammers designed specifically to be used on steel with a blue stripe around it, so there's no mistaking steel from aluminum use. In our accessory box, we have a set of keys of various types to weld onto steel, shrinking tools, industry-known wiggle wire with all the attachments to weld these pieces on, obviously, and then pulling tools used by both hand and with our lever bars and bridge supports. Draw number two. We have our aluminum tools. In here we have another set of precision hammers, this time with a red stripe. No mistaking that from steel. We also have a heat gun, spare parts, electrodes, and holders. So this is a three-level system, steel and aluminum, the welder, and the tools you see behind me are level one. Level two introduces a glue feature. Heat gun to melt the glue, and various sets of pads, different colors, different contours, different shapes, different sizes, depending on the type of damage that exists. Level number three introduces a holder set, mallet, dollies. And in the bottom drawer, for that light to medium damage, we introduce a pneumatic push tool, also brand new for Car-O-Liner. Let's take a look at our prop door that we bought to the show here. We see our carbon fiber, which is something that Car-O-Liner has offered for a number of years, using the glue feature to remove some damage out of this aluminum door. So this shows a little bit larger damage, and with our hand tool here, very small and light damage. And on the back of the cabinet, we have our longer bridge support, suitable for aluminum truck bedsides. And that's a CDR1, and that's a wrap.